The start of the school year, how do I describe it in one word? Crazy. With busy schedules on the horizon, it's nice to have easy dinner recipes on hand come dinner time. Well, today's recipe is easy to make and the perfect kid-approved meal as well. Wendy Paul joins me with the recipe for chicken parm meatball subs. Everybody everyone who walks past the studio, the kitchen, does this break hit, and they're like, what is on that plate? It looks amazing.
It's so good. And super easy. So, you know, summer's coming to a close. We're all so sad, but now we're back into schedule times and school, and the thing I can control is to simplify my dinner time. Okay, that's one thing I can do. So I'm sharing with you this delicious recipe. We're not skimping on flavor. We've got all the flavor, but it's a quick meal, 30 minutes start to finish.
I just can't stop staring at that beautiful plate. Teach us your ways.
Okay, so first we're starting with this delicious brioche bun. So it's a really buttery, soft bun, and you're gonna toast it in butter. All right.
We're going to take that buttery bun and add some butter.
We are go big or go home. Let's do it. So we're going to toast it. Okay, so while that's toasting, okay, I made these meatballs. It's super, super fast to make these meatballs. So I chose ground chicken. Okay, because it's a chicken parm. Do you get it? Chicken parm.
Got it.
So simple ingredients. You've got ground chicken, you've got some breadcrumbs, but not very many. Chicken is a really lean meat, so it doesn't have a lot of fat in it, so it can dry out quickly. Okay, you add Parmesan cheese, fresh basil, and then let me tell you about this. Freeze-dried garlic. Freeze-dried garlic. It's delicious. It has tons of flavor. Let's see. There you go. They have all kinds of herbs, but I love the flavor. I felt like it was stronger, more true to fresh. Okay. So freeze-dried garlic, you bake it in the oven, you top it with a little Parmesan cheese first.
Because Parmesan,
remember, chicken parm. Okay, so we're just keeping all those flavors, right? So you roast them, and I used a cookie scoop so I didn't have to make them with my hands. Just really fast, simple, scoop it out, lay it out on your baking sheet.
And I'll use a cookie scoop so they're all the same size. And
which is nice. It is nice because then they bake evenly. Okay, that's another trick. And then I just drizzled with a little bit of olive oil and threw it in the oven for only 15 minutes. Okay. So while that's cooking, you toast your buns. Okay, this recipe makes about 20 good-sized meatballs. All right, so should we assemble one?
Oh, can we please?
Yes, let's do.
You'd never asked.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna assemble, here's a toasted bun, and you're just gonna kind of break it open a little.
Oh, in the middle, we're not even using a seam.
No, you are. That is the seam.
Sorry.
Right down the middle.
I thought you were on the side. I was like, look at that rebel, just breaking through bread.
Well, I mean, I don't believe in rules when it's about food. So
settle down.
Okay, so there's your toasted bun. We've got marinara. Just grab whatever is in your pantry. Okay. Just fill that little pocket, that little nest. We've created a nest for our meatballs.
Now it's a nest.
Okay, so you've got your marinara.
Yes.
Then we're gonna put a layer of cheese. Because it's chicken parm meatball.
Thank you.
Sub sandwich.
This is just getting better. Now I know why we're all stopping at the plate.
Right.
Look at these layers of flavor.
Okay, and then you're just gonna stuff those meatballs right in that little pocket of cheese and sauce.
Oh my gosh.
And then, as if it doesn't get any better than it already has, we're gonna do another layer
of marinara.
And
then I'm ready. Is this
okay? Yes, please. Let's do both kinds of cheese right on top.
Look at this.
You've got your oven preheated to 400 because you just made your meatballs, right?
Yes.
So you're just gonna use the same baking sheet. Like, don't even change baking sheets. Use the same baking sheet, put all of these beautiful sandwiches back on. Only 7 to 9 minutes to warm through and brown them. And then you're just gonna top it with some fresh basil because you know me and I like my fresh herbs.
Yes.
And then, of course, today I'm serving it with cucumbers I picked out of the garden. I think I had 400 I harvested last night.
You are such a show-off.
I'm not kidding. It was ridiculous. I was like, what happened this last week?
Amazing.
But you could also do like fries. Do your kids like fries or tater tots or something fun like that, side salad, and you've got dinner.
I made frozen sweet potato fries last week. My kids were like scraping the bowl. And I was like, why have you never made these before?
Oh my gosh.
I was like, okay, I'll be reaching into the freezer a little bit more often.
Sweet potatoes.
But balanced with these homemade meatballs, I can feel good about it. And really, it looks, I mean, knife and fork for this sub.
Fork for this sub, yes, absolutely.
Wendy, thank you. Where can we get more recipes from you?
Follow me on Instagram, The Real Wendy Paul.
Yes.
We have lots of fun.
We do. She does. We do with her. And Wendy is the queen of this, like delicious recipes that are quick and easy and make our weeknight dinners
Thank you.
that much more smooth. The Real Wendy Paul on Instagram. Thank you. Great to see you.